Hey there, this is Sugarcoder. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make your own rainbow frosting. I learned this tip a long time ago from a buttercream flower decorating book, and I was the first person that made a video about it on YouTube. All you need to do is have several frosting colors and pipe it on top of a plastic wrap like this. After you pipe all of the frosting on the plastic wrap, wrap it up into a tube-like shape and then cut off one of the ends. Put the whole thing in a piping bag that is fitted with a piping tip, and then that's about it. Now you can decorate beautiful rainbow desserts. Would you like to see more DIY videos like this? If so, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.